Paparazzi is here for Honey and Cola. Oh, they think my feet are really funny. Yep, those are feet, Honey. Oh, run away from those feet. Oh. And they're playing with the balance disc. I think they're trying to eat it now. Not good. Oh, climbing up. Who's climbing up? Oh, Honey. Whoa, it's sliding. That was better outside toy than inside toy. That's Cola. And somebody's, oh, Honey's playing with my foot. And somebody's over there. Who's over there? I bet it's, who's there? Oh, somebody, oh, that would be, that would be, is it Hazel or Wally? I can't tell. Cola. And Honey is watching him walk around. And who's coming out now? I believe. I can't tell through the video camera. I think we're all going in for a nap. Maybe. Easy does it, guys. Easy does it. Oh, I think there's a spoon there. Coveted item. And here is Miss Hazel. Hazel, you want to play with my feet? No, you didn't see my feet. We're going for naps.